everyone, it's time for Sid's story time. This week I'm going to read a book called I'm the Best Artist in the Ocean by Kevin Sherry. The reason why I chose this story today is because when the museum, the Sid Richardson Museum, opens back up, right now on our museum walls we have a painting by a man named Winslow Homer, and he loved to paint scenes of people by the ocean or by the sea. And obviously this sea creature here fancies himself quite an artist. So you ready to read this story? All right. On the cover, I see a big sea creature and he's got an artist's mustache. And in his tentacle, he's holding a paintbrush with paint on it. And on the back of the book, look at that, I see some more tentacles and more paintbrushes. I wonder how many paintbrushes he can hold at the same time. All right, I'm the Best Artist in the Ocean by Kevin Sherry. Oh, look in the front cover here. This looks familiar. Lots of sea creatures in a style of an artist that I think I know who he's talking about. All right. Hello, I'm a big, giant squid. He can't even fit on the whole page. Look, it's just his face there. He's got all of his tentacles. I can draw. I think this might be a self-portrait. That's how he sees himself, with an artist beret. That's what they call those hats. And he's holding two paintbrushes at a time. I can draw fish and I can draw crabs. Look here, he's got some puffer fish, a short fish, a long fish. And look at all the different silly crabs. And look, he's got a crab friend hanging on to the end of his brush there. I wonder what he thinks of the portrait of him. Looks a little surprised. I can draw manta rays and jellyfish. He seems quite pleased with his own artwork. Wonder what else he's going to draw. I can draw anything! Seahorses. Oh, but look at these fish. Do they look very happy? Splat. He's getting paint everywhere. But he seems happy. Hey, what are you doing? Does little fish say that? I'm making my masterpiece. Here comes the mustache. He painted his own mustache on. These little fishies with the paint on their heads do not look happy. I wonder why. Look, I can draw this, or I can draw like that. That's very different styles there, but I can tell they're both a squid. I'm the best artist in the ocean. Do you think they agree or disagree? Let's find out. Stop! Oh no. Here comes a scary shark. Look how many teeth. You are making a mess. Angry eyes. Uh-oh. Do you think he realized he was making such a mess? He was having so much fun drawing. You mean... Uh-oh. A masterpiece. Here the book opens up and you can see all of the creatures that he's drawn. Uh-oh. What does that look like to you? Oh no! I don't know if you can see it in this camera, but that is a big, giant whale. Look at all those drawings that he made on the whale. Does the whale look happy? Let's find out. I love books that fold out like that. What a fun surprise. I think the whale looked happy. I hope you enjoyed this book by Kevin Sherry called I'm the Best Artist in the Ocean. And I hope it's inspired you to get out your art supplies and make a little bit of a mess, of course with your parent supervision. And stay tuned because I'm going to show you a fun activity you can do at home. Bye everybody, see you next time.